guys, I've been kind of gone for a while and offline. I'm actually in my new apartment. Yeah, I just like lit some candles and stuff. Just, it smells a little funny. Anyways, ooh, that's a nice thumbnail. That looks cool. Anyways, yeah, I just like threw some candles on the microwave and stuff. Yeah, so anyways, this is my new apartment. I just have the lights off, kind of. I'm actually watching Zombieland. And, I was going to do some editing after. So anyways, yeah, I'm in my new apartment. I'll give you guys a tour, once I have it kind of looking a lot better. There's still, like, holes in my bathroom ceiling and stuff like that. We had a little bit of a water problem. We turned off the water in the winter time, and the pipes kind of had a little bit of a dip to it, so the water froze and it kind of messed up my pipes, so my dad had to fix it. So it's like drywall up there. It needs taped and like painted and everything. So anyways, it's all right. But yeah, so I'm in my new place now. So just really quick little update. This is gonna be a really fast little vlog. So I've been trying to finish up all my editing. I finally had time to actually edit. So I didn't have time before. I was just working on getting the store ready and whatnot. So yeah, so that's how it goes. Okay, so see you guys later. See you next vlog.